going up against Arellano Switch Fiber. Kami ang inyong kasama, Miggy C. Sa aking tabi naman, si Aaron D.
And agad-agad, easy basket para sa Arellano. Fast break.
Uy, natapilok, nawala yung bola. Arellano gets the basketball. 4-0 blitz coming from the men in blue. Marquez finishing on that play.
And notice kung itong All-Star Hoops kanina nung game nila, 11 under, kulang sila sa bench. Ngayon, kulang ulit sila sa bench. 3 lang substitutions nila.
And still, All-Star Hoops kanina 11 and under, ngayon 15 and under division naman. With the same coach na si Coach Lander Miranda. So he's trying to duplicate that early morning win with this 15 and under squad. As the first free throws will come in for All-Star Hoops.
Yung lamang lang talaga dito ang Arellano sa manpower. Kita mo bench nila, puno, oh, dami nila. I'm sure mga 12 to or maybe even more. So, fatigue advantage nasa kanila kasi marami silang pwede substitute.
And at this point, All-Star Hoops, siguro inaasahan din nila sa All-Star Hoops na sana merong parang Danny Lomboy dito na hindi na uubusan ng energy.
Baka nga pwede na rin si Lomboy maglaro dito eh. Sa pinakita niya kanina, from 11 under to 15 under.
Tingin ko makakalahati naman siya, no, kahit pa paano, baka mag-take over pa rin din dito yan. Si Lomboy, Danny Lomboy, the best player of All-Star Hoops, 11 and under division kanina. Na hindi pa rin kami makaget over sa kanyang ginawa. Pero Arellano, Switch Fibers, 7-0 run into this first quarter. With less than 2 minutes pa lang nakakalagpas, 7-0 run agad.
And yun, 2 quick fouls para sa Arellano side. 2 beses na nag-free throw agad. With 8 minutes and 30 remaining pa in the game.
So far naman, in terms of foul, siguro kaya naman ng Arellano to handle it. Kasi yung dami silang players, di ba? Kumbaga, ayaw mo lang naman ma-penalty ng maaga, di ba? To give easier points to his teammate, to their opponents rather, as All-Star Hoops, making their free throws, 7-2. Marquez, behind the back of the glass, will get it.
And surprising to see na itong All-Star Hoops nagpipress sila, full court trap. Considering na 3 lang yung substitutions nila.
As a jumper, to no avail for All-Star Hoops.
That's a tough shot by Apolinario, number 18. Right corner, one dribble to the right, tinira off balance. So they're gonna have to find better looks than that kung gusto nila makakapitalize against Arellano.
As the second chance will miss still for All-Star Hoops. Arellano gets the rebound. Marquez, strong drive, will be fouled.
Marquez really active early in this game. Puro fast break, puro layup. Always running the floor and getting that easy layup. Ngayon naman, fast break with the foul. 2 free throws for Marquez.
So far, itong si Marquez nagpapakilala early in this game. Splitting his free throws, 10-2.
At ito na nga, naka full court press tong Arellano. Kita mo yung pressure defense nila on that play. Force a traveling violation tuloy. For All-Star Hoops, pinaparush talaga nila yung offense nila with that press. Tignan mo, ang gulo ng All-Star Hoops right now.
As Arellano missing on that gimme. All-Star Hoops secures the basketball. They're on the run. Goes to number 18, baseline J, will miss. Forward pass. 89, fires a 3. Missing entirely. And All-Star Hoops on the break. Switching directions. Could not fall that layup. Huli on that play. But somehow, All-Star Hoops gets the 3.
And finally, All-Star Hoops with their first score of the game. That 3-pointer of that broken play.
That first field goal of All-Star Hoops making or cutting their deficit, pero at the same time dito sa Arellano, sipag lang, battle for the board, nasa kanila pa rin. The second shot, napaganda pa with an N1 play.
And Marquez everywhere right now gets that offensive rebound to that fadeaway. Foul and 1.
Ayan, ano mo, hindi lang talaga sila sumuko. Tatlo yung naghahabol. Marquez somehow gets it and gets the opportunity to make an N1 play.
Clipped on the arm on that play pero still manages to finish. So, good composure para dito kay Marquez.
Just could not complete on that 3-point play pero nakuha niya yung kanyang miss. Magmimintis lang din. And another chance for Arellano. On to this possession, 14 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. 19, open 3, misses. And now finally, All-Star Hoops gets the basketball, a point blank, easy 2 for number 1.
And that might be the easiest basket All-Star Hoops is gonna get all game.
As Marquez, easy 2 para sa kanya naman. Ano yung from that range, talagang almost 100% itong si Marquez. Especially on that left side.
Oh, pinapakita niya sa atin yung finishing skills niya right now. Kahit may contact, kahit may defender in front of him, kaya talaga niya.
A man with a feathery finish. Itong si Marquez. Just couldn't hit the 3 on that time. As All-Star Hoops, sila yung nagmamadali. The opportunity for a fast break. Maisasayang lang. Malakas yung pasa.
Ill-advised pass right there from All-Star Hoops. Dapat tinira na lang niya yun kasi yung isang defender nasa harap niya.
And now, babalik yung bola sa Arellano with 14-7 ang ating talaan.
And ito na nga, if you can notice, itong All-Star Hoops, di muna sila mag-press ngayon kasi expected na 3 lang substitution nila, mapapagod sila agad.
Bernardino, top of the key, 3, kapapasok lang.
Quick fire 3 right there for Bernardino. Itong Arellano, not scared to shoot. Quick offense sila, early offense actually.
As All-Star Hoops, hindi makakasagot. Arellano, from first 5 to their bench scorers, nagpaparamdam. And that's another N1 play for them. And we'll be heading to a timeout. All-Star Hoops asking for more time to adjust into this first quarter of basketball. Arellano switch fiber could not complete the N1 play once again. As All-Star Hoops, left elbow, foul onto a blue shirt. Left wing 3 will miss. Arellano secures the basketball once again. 19-7, a 12-point lead for the blue shirts. 3 ball is good for Arellano, extending their lead to 15, courtesy of Arada. The dish, huli! Bola will go back to the side of All-Star Hoops, pero itong Arellano making sure na walang easy basket dun sa attacking yun ng All-Star Hoops.
And one thing you can notice about tong Arellano team, may green light yung mga players nilang tumira kahit early in the shot clock.
As the All-Star Hoops once again missing from 3-point country. Arellano on the break off the glass and in.
Gets that contact finish, number 10. Kahit may body in front of him, hands up pa rin. Still makes it through the contact, so good body control right there.
And a foul on Arellano University, which means All-Star Hoops will be rewarded for 2 more shots. So far, All-Star Hoops is not yet entering double figures in this match with almost 7 minutes has passed. And a bad pass from Arellano. Turning the ball over on that play.
And alam mo, Miggy, kahit nung last season ng Velvet D-League, itong Arellano naglaro din, I noticed na yung game plan nila is talagang early offense, shoot early in the shot clock. Kahit mga 3-pointers, minsan kahit contested pa, tinitira nila. So it's a really quick-paced offense for them.
As ito na naman, the quick offense. Number 13 will be fouled. 2 shots for him. Ikaw ba, Aaron? Dahil sabi mo nga itong Arellano, they like playing with a quick offense style. So, ikaw, ano ba tingin mo yung benefits pag yung team mo is on a system na talagang maximizing or trying their best to get quick offense?
Well, I think the first advantage nito is you get to score, you get to shoot bago pa makaset up yung defense. So, yun nga, as they rush, kahit sabihin mo rush sila, itong All-Star Hoops hindi nakakaset ng defense, so tinitira nila agad. Yun nga lang, there are still disadvantages with this. Kasi last season nakita ko rin na itong Arellano, medyo too much rush shots, minsan nagiging force na. So, they don't get the best quality looks. Pero, yun again, it really depends on the game and how the game is flowing. Pero right now, 25-7, lamang yung Arellano, so it's working in their favor. So tuloy-tuloy lang nila itong quick-paced run-and-gun offense style nila.
Kumbaga yung quick offense ng Arellano is nabibigla nila ngayong larong to, tong All-Star Hoops. Hindi nalalatag yung depensa na gustong gawin ng All-Star Hoops kasi nga uma-atake agad sila sa offense. And at this time, missing on the free throw ang Arellano. All-Star Hoops, foul on that play once again.
And itong game style na quick offense run and gun for All-Star Hoops, I'm not sure if it's gonna work in their favor kasi as we've been mentioning a while ago, 3 lang yung subs nila in this game. Tapos itong Arellano press defense pa, hinahound talaga nila yung mga players ng All-Star Hoops. Puro pressure, so nahihirapan sila kahit magbaba ng bola.
And All-Star Hoops splitting onto that on that trip to the free throw line. Ito na naman yung quick offense ng Arellano, missing on that 3. Another shot will result to a foul. Arada susubok sa free throw line.
And kahit sa mga box out, offensive rebounds, hirap din itong All-Star Hoops. I'm not sure if fatigue is a factor yet, pero 8 minutes pa lang naman nakakalipas dito sa first quarter natin. Pero as we can see there, yung isa sila mga point guard, nakaka-offensive rebound, nahihirapan sila sa box out.
Arellano, wala pang 8 minutes has passed in our first frame. Pero they're already almost entering the 30-point mark ng ating talaan, which means yung kanilang offense ay mukhang looking good talaga. High-octane offense for Arellano in this game. As All-Star Hoops will go yet again to the free throw line. Nagiging bread and butter na nila itong free throw line sa ating first frame.
And with an almost 20-point lead itong Arellano, kayang-kaya pa makahabol nitong All-Star Hoops. They just have to find their rhythm in this game. Catch up with these easy free throws, take advantage of it, and then play better defense, get those rebounds.
And siguro kailangan din nilang i-make sure yung mga free throws na to tumatama. Kasi parang ang dami ng foul ng ating Arellano, and I believe they're already in penalty. So, di ba, if makakapitalize nila lalo yun, mas makakatulong yung kanilang free throw trips para matapyasan yung kanilang hinahabol na kalamangan.
And notice na yung mga quick shots ng Arellano di masyadong pumapasok right now. So, I noticed na disadvantage nila yan. Usually, kasi last season, I believe they went against Lasal Green Hills or San Beda, if I'm not mistaken. And doon nahirapan sila mag-capitalize there kasi kahit yung mga quick shots sila di masyadong pumapasok. Tapos itong San Beda and LSGH, sagot naman back. So, buti na lang ngayon itong All-Star Hoops di masyadong nakaka-score. So, they still have a big lead.
Now Arellano, 27-9. An 18-point lead for them. Number 24, hounded by 2 white shirts. Goes to number 2. 2-1. Beautiful passing coming from Arellano. Switch fibers.
Ganda naman ng drop pass doon from the point guard right to the big man.
At kung yun, magandang pasa, ito naman sa All-Star Hoops. Hindi ganun kagandang pasa dahil nagresulta yun sa turnover.
And with a 20-point lead, itong All-Star Hoops need nila makastop.
It's another quick 3. Huli. Now All-Star Hoops, but number 1 is there. Goes to number 13. The jumper missing. And 1. The feathery touch goes in.
Yun talaga, hirap sila sa offensive rebounds. Kita mo naman mga player ng Arellano, ang haba din.
But a steal by All-Star Hoops. 31-9. 1 and 15 to play in the first. A big lead for Arellano. Now finally, All-Star Hoops entering double figures in this game. 31-10.
And it's always gonna be tough for a club team going up against an NCAA team na ganito kasi usually pag mga club team, they're not really from the same school. Usually iba-ibang school yung mga yan. Ito namang Arellano, minsan they live together pa, nasa isang dorm, yung mga ganun. So, really hard for a team like this na maka-counter against Arellano. Pero kayang-kaya pa nila. They just have to dig deeper and get those stops.
Actually, that's a good point. Kasi itong Arellano, obviously this is a 15 and under, we could say varsity team, di ba? Ito namang All-Star Hoops, they're a club-based squad na siguro once or twice a week lang nakikita. Itong Arellano siguro almost every day nagpa-practice to. So the chemistry, kumbaga yung chemistry tsaka yung sistema na kukuha nila on a daily basis, di ba? Alam nila kung ano yung familiar sila dun sa gustong gawin ng coach nila, while sa All-Star Hoops naman mas kailangan pa nila ng time, di ba? So yun yung makikita nating difference as Arellano hitting the jumper 36-11.
Quick 3 right there. Pasok pa rin para kay number 24.
And grabe, guns a blazing. Itong first quarter offense ng Arellano, almost entering the 40 point sa ating game.
Rare offensive rebound by the All-Star Hoops.
They will get the possession back. They're down big and they need to end the first quarter strong. 6, the 3-pointer will miss. And that's the first quarter of Arellano versus All-Star Hoops. Grabe, 36 first quarter points. Yan lang naman yung ginawa ng Arellano Switch Fibers. We are back for the second quarter of this game. All-Star Hoops down big. And if they want a comeback, they need to start as early as possible. As an open 3, Apolinario hitting from downtown.
Finally, the All-Star Hoops scoring something for this quarter.
So far with 22 seconds pa lang yung nakakalagpas sa ating second quarter. All-Star Hoops starting it with some good signs. Hitting a 3 and getting the ball or getting a stop on the defensive end. They will try their offense. Maagawan. Marquez. Free lane. Oy! Yun nga lang.
Natawagan ng
traveling. Masyadong naging excited itong si Marquez on that free lane. Ay, ayun din. Isa pa. Missing. On the point blank shot. All-Star Hoops. Another chance is good. 5-0. Yan. Ang ating second quarter of action with 1:12 pa lang nakakalipas. Number 10 drives hard, missing the second chance to no avail. But somehow they get the basketball once again.
Medyo magulo na ikita natin from both teams right now. A lot of turnovers, sloppy plays, missed open layups.
Kahit na magulo yung nakikita natin, so far yung mga basketball gods dito sa ating second quarter pumapanig ng konti sa All-Star Hoops. Yung mga lucky breaks na kukuha nila.
Tama.
And just like that, they will still keep the ball in their hands. Number 1. Against Marquez. Goes left. Huli ni Marquez.
Marquez showing us his defensive capabilities on that play.
But a good knockout play for All-Star Hoops.
And good cut by number 6 from the baseline for the easy floater off that curl.
And now, Marquez, huli on that time ni Lucero. Number 10, drive, strong finish. Tatama lang dun sa rim, kaya nagmintes. As good step through by Arellano. Getting their first bucket in the second frame.
A nice ball fake on that first step. And another Euro in this game.
Grabe itong mga batang to. Nagsasagutan sila ng parang ang tema, what you can do, I can do better. Diba? Nag-step through dun sa kabila. Yung kabila, ganun din yung ginawa to get a basket.
And 38-20, di pa rin makahabol itong All-Star Hoops.
Still an 18-point lead for Arellano. Pero in this second frame, yung opensa ng All-Star Hoops is kahit pa paano nakukuha nila slowly.
Yeah, they're flowing better right now in this second quarter.
Pero kahit nagpo-flow sila ng better, parang pang ilan na yun na yung mga tira nila tumatama dun sa rim bago nila maiangat. So mga unlucky breaks para sa All-Star Hoops. As ito na naman. Ayun, magmimintis na naman sa lay-in.
Parang mga ganun, no? Mga open layup, di pa rin pumapasok.
Oo, pero dito naman sa kabila yung Arellano, mga open lay-in nila gumagana. Salazar goes to 26. Attacks. Will miss. Lucero battling for the second chance. May tatapik niya kay number 1. And there will be a foul on Arellano.
And that's good defense by number 77. Itong si Distrito, yung big man ng Arellano. Standing his ground. Hands up lang siya.
And now, baseline drive, floater, will trickle in for number 13 of All-Star Hoops.
Smallest guy on the court getting that floater in the inside.
Pero ito, quick bucket para sa Arellano.
And that's too easy para sa Arellano. One pass right there. Open na open sa ilalim ng ring.
It's number 1, the drive. Magmimintis na naman. 44-22. Kalahati ng score ng Arellano. Yun pa lang naipupundar ng All-Star Hoops sa ating talaan. So another shot off the glass for Arellano.
And everything going in talaga para sa Arellano. Good defense na yun, contested. Pero wala pa rin, double pump that layup. Bang off the glass pa rin pumasok.
So far, wala eh. Everything's going well for their side, especially on the offensive. Para sa Arellano. Salazar missing for All-Star Hoops. But another chance will for All-Star Hoops at mapupunta yun sa 2 shots at the line for number 3.
And alam mo, Miggy, itong game style na to, itong flow ng game, yung pace ng game, ito talaga yung gusto ng Arellano eh. So it's working to their advantage na pinapabilis nila yung game. Everything is rushed. Minsan kala mo na pag-rush, disadvantage yun. Pero itong Arellano, advantage yun para sa kanila. Yung mabilisan na game plan, game offense.
And ano kasi yun eh, yun nga, yung sabi mo kanina, yun yung sistema nila eh. They really love to go for quick offense. Yun yung nasa playbook nila. So malamang kahit pa paano alam nila yung gagawin nila sa mga ganung mga pagkakataon na mag-generate ng mga quick shots. Arellano will go to the free throw line for 2 shots.
And halatang may fatigue factor na tong All-Star Hoops. Medyo napapagod ng mga player nila. Yun na masyadong bumababa. Pero I believe nadagdagan ata ng substitution nito. 2 ata.
Oh, looking at the bench, mukhang 5 na rin yung nasa side ng All-Star Hoops. So,
Yeah, from 3 a while ago, naging 5. So that's a good sign for them.
Parang ganyan din yung nangyari kanina nung first game natin eh. Yung sa 11 and under ng All-Star Hoops. Parang 8 lang sila nung umpisa. Tapos nung mga halftime, naging 10 na yung players ni Coach Lander Miranda.
Unti-unti dumadating, no?
Oo. Number 10, skying high, missing, but free throws para sa kanya muli.
Yun, good aggressive drive yun para kay number 10, tong si Salazar.
So far sa All-Star Hoops, wala masyadong, in terms of their offense, hindi nila masyado nakukuha yung mga point blank shots nila, yung 3-point shots nila. Pero something that's working for them is that they having a lot of opportunities in the free throw line.
Tama, nakakailang fouls drawn na sila. Kanina pa, actually, no first quarter, sunod-sunod yan. So, maybe they could use that to their advantage kasi doon sila nakakascore eh.
At kailangan nilang i-capitalize yun. Especially, nasa second quarter na tayo. As we progress more into this game, malamang yung foul trouble mararamdaman niya ng Arellano if they keep being aggressive. Pero Arellano, through Arada, making another fast break attack.
And grabe yung stop na yun. Tira mo, sunod-sunod, 2 tao. Yan na naman, oh, stop na naman para sa Arellano.
Ooh, good pass to Arada. Easiest 2 of the game.
And the points are just piling up right now for Arellano. Puro easy shots off those turnovers from All-Star Hoops.
But then again, All-Star Hoops, they're just trying to be aggressive sa abot ng kanilang makakaya. Going to the line once more.
Yun na nga, mga free throws, di sila makakapitalize on that play.
First one is a miss.
And here we go, All-Star Hoops, di na nga nagpipress, oh. Nasa baba na sila. I believe naka-zone sila right now, 2-3.
The swing. Uy, napalakas lang yung pasa on that play. Apolinario. Short on the 3. Another chance. Will go in.
Finally, inside shot going in for Arellano, rolling in pa.
Naawa on that play yung ring, di ba? Parang lalabas na yung bola pero bumalik ulit to give an inside points for All-Star Hoops. The forward pass to Salazar. Step through, clip on the act of shooting.
And that's a good idea to draw the fouls. Yung kita mo yung bola niya, swinging niya in front of the defender. Usually, first instinct ng defender is pag nakita yung bola, they're gonna try to swipe at it. Yun, natamaan yung arm niya. Basta swinging niya high. So, di naman maabot ng defender. Usually, maabot lang niya yung arm. We got clipped right there. 2 free throws ulit para kay Salazar.
And yan yung yan yung magandang ginagawa ng All-Star Hoops. Even though they're down big, nakakakuha talaga sila ng mga fouls because they're just being aggressive finishing on their side. While at top, good hustle para sa All-Star Hoops and finishing on the break.
And here we go with Salazar stringing up some points for the All-Star Hoops.
Arellano swings, 89. Nowhere to go, finds the man in the middle. Mawawala yung bola. But a good tap. But still, bola babalik sa side ng All-Star Hoops.
Anong kukulit talaga ng mga defenders itong Arellano. Kita mo yun. Pasa lang, nade-deflect pa rin. Smallest guy on the court.
They're not, talagang kung hanggang maaari, dinidisrupt lang talaga nila yung flow of offense ng All-Star Hoops. And we can see na nagagawa nila yun paulit-ulit dito sa ating first half. As 89, the swish to number 25, missing. Inside move. Ayaw pa rin.
And alam mo, kahit makat down lang nila yung lead, yung itong All-Star Hoops, kahit makat down nila to 15 points just right before halftime, put them right at striking distance. Wag naman yung 20 pa rin yung lamang.
Actually, tama ka dun. Kasi nga pag ito bumaba ng 15-point lead, siguro we're gonna go to the second half na magkakaroon ng a little bit of advantage itong All-Star Hoops. Kasi ang dami ng fouls na ang dami ng fouls ng Arellano at this point For sure, penalty na sila ngayon sa dami ng free throws na binibigay nila. Diba? And siguro pag nakuha na ng All-Star Hoops yung rhythm nila, maybe they could string a comeback para makabalik dito sa game ito.
Tama, and mas lalo na sa penalty sila, ubusin na nila to with this last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Try to take advantage.
As a forward pass, dali in, magmimintes. Buti na lang, nandun yung kanyang kakampi to clean it up.
At yun na nga, 14-point lead na lang. So kung kaya pa nilang ibaba, try pa.
As Arellano, inside move. Lead back to 16.
Yun nga lang, it's too easy right now for Arellano on their inside attacks.
All-Star Hoops. Number 10, Salazar with the basketball. 10 seconds to shoot. A steal for Arellano. A 2v1 fast break. Completes.
And balik na naman 16 points itong lamang ng Arellano.
Lucero drops it off. Banker is good for All-Star Hoops. Strong drive, could not finish. Ngayon, pagkakataon muli ng All-Star Hoops, 3 ball will miss.
Sayang yun, 11-point lead na lang kung pumasok sana.
As Bernardino magmimintes. Salazar bouncing it off. Pasa, madidisrupt ng Arellano on that play. And now we're heading to a timeout. 51-37 in favor of Arellano Switch Fibers.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka pos. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, liga, liga.
Second quarter of action resumes. The 3 ball is good for All-Star Hoops. And now, suddenly, it's only an 11-point lead for Arellano.
An 11-point lead. They still have a chance to cut it down to less than 10 pa. So, this is more than what we wanted for All-Star Hoops. Kanina, 15 lang sinasabi natin. Ngayon, may chance pa kahit maging 9, 10, or maybe even 8 lang.
As Arellano, Switch Fibers will be going to the line. First one is a miss. Second one is also a miss. Pero nandun si number 7 for the stick back. And a bad pass by All-Star Hoops.
And sayang yung pagkakataon dun. Last 25 seconds, last shot for Arellano. So, what they need to do now is to just get a stop para they can go to the second half na may 13-point lead lang itong Arellano.
Arellano could end the second quarter, but they decided to go inside and they are rewarded for an N1 play. 55-40.
And that's a killer right there for All-Star Hoops. 13 points na lang, nagka-end 1 pa.
Missing. Ball will go back to the side of All-Star Hoops with 14.4 seconds left sa ating first half. So they could write the last sentence of this chapter. Huling hirit para sa All-Star Hoops. The drop pass. Nobody's home. At ayun, si Apolinario making them pay. And another steal. The heave will not count even if it drops 55-42 in favor of Arellano. Switch Fibers sa ating Velvet D-League Season 2 15 and under division.
And good job by the All-Star Hoops shifting their energy, making a comeback. Kanina they were down by as much as 20 points. Pero ngayon 13 na lang.
Second half of action is now unfolding. Arellano in a double-digit lead against All-Star Hoops, 57-42. The 3 ball to counter is good for the men in white, 57-45. Kami ang inyong mga kasama, Miggy C at si Aaron D.
And Marquez back in the game, starting the third quarter just like he started the first with a score.
Pero sa pagkakataong yun, medyo malakas yung pasa ng kanyang big man. At the post, the swing back will cost them a turnover. At ito, All-Star Hoops, another possession for them to cut the lead to single digits. Pero mawawala sa kanila yung bola. And the finish is good for Arellano.
And another turnover dito sa All-Star Hoops. Bumalik na naman ng 14 ang lamang.
The sling to Tapia against Marquez. Good defense, pero makukuha ng All-Star Hoops once again. Corner shot will miss.
And yun na nga, nahihirapan talaga sa turnover itong All-Star Hoops. A lot of possessions na nasayang right there. Comeback na sana sila.
Okay, so there's... Wait lang. If I'm not mistaken, may konting stoppage of play tayo dito. Medyo nalito din yung mga referees kasi mukhang may dalawang jersey number. May same number ng jersey dun sa ating floor, which is sa All-Star Hoops. Dalawa yung may suot ng number 1.
Dalawa ba yung number 1 right now?
Oo. Si Tapia at saka yung kababalik lang sa bench. Marquez drives inside, will miss. Another chance for Arellano. Strong move will not work. Another shot is good.
Yung tatlong try yun para sa Arellano, paulit-ulit na offensive rebound. On that last shot nila, and one pa yung nakuha nila.
Ayan yun. Third time's a charm. Yan yung play na nagawa ng Arellano. That result to a N1 play. Number 1 of Arellano will get his bonus free throw.
Yan ang sakit nun para sa All-Star Hoops. Kasi slowly humahabol na sila, biglang mga offensive rebound na sila ng 3 times sunod-sunod tapos end 1.
Biglang 17-point lead once again. As Lucero step through, a foul on him. A foul rather on Arellano. 2 shots for him.
And again, All-Star Hoops getting to the line early, using it to their advantage. So, kayang-kaya pa nila umabol dito, mas lalo na yung lamang ng Arellano is slowly going down.
Second shot is off. But somehow, All-Star Hoops gets the rebound. Another chance. Hindi gagana yung third time sa charm para sa kanila.
Hirap talaga sa loob tong All-Star Hoops.
Pero so far, at least marami na nakukuha silang offensive rebound sa ating quarter na to. Pero hindi nila nakakapitalize. At look at that move coming from Arellano.
Stretch finish right there from number 19. Full arms talagang tinaas niya para hindi maabot ng defender.
Medyo ready na ako. Siguro kung mas matangkad siya ng 1 to 2 inches, baka nadakdak niya na yun.
Oo, standing dunk na yun actually.
Oh, ano ba? Almost a dunk. That's a good finish coming from Arellano as they get a steal once again. Pero counter steal for All-Star Hoops.
Good stop by Salazar.
Bounce pass. The easy 2 for Tapia.
3-on-1 fast break na yun, pero nakuha pa rin ni Salazar yung steal there to stop that fast break. Easy layup.
Never giving up on that play. Yan yung ginawa ni Salazar, resulting in an easy 2. But Arellano gets another chance. The 3 ball will miss. And now, possession will go back to the men in white.
And Salazar has been a positive factor for the All-Star Hoops simula nung pumasok siya dito sa game na to.
Lucero, floater is good.
Tough floater by Lucero, dribbling to the left, fading pa doon pero pumasok.
Pero kinounter lang din naman ng Arellano yun with an easy layup. 66-49. So far, itong All-Star Hoops, kumakatok sila pero parati silang sinasaraduhan ng pinto ng Arellano.
Tama, and they're not gonna be able to win this game na back and forth lang yung action na nangyayari. They're gonna have to get some stops after this score.
As a rebound and a steal naman makukuha ng All-Star Hoops.
Ganda na sana ng fake doon, di lang talaga pumasok yung shot.
Ito naman si Marquez will be fouled on that play and officials signaling a unsportsmanlike foul.
Medyo delikado yung kay Marquez doon. Parang na-undercut siya ng konti on that play, kaya tinawagan nung official ng unsportsmanlike.
Ano yun medyo delikado yung ganung mga instances kasi yung landing ni Marquez dun yung kumbaga yung take off niya malinis pero yung pagland niya dun na pinituhan ng referees kasi if nagkamali pa lalo ng landing si Marquez dun, that could be something else.
Yeah, buti na lang di siya tumaob. Like, nagland lang siya straight. So, yeah, buti Marquez is safe.
Now Marquez splitting on the line, 67-49. But this is an unsportsmanlike foul earlier for All-Star Hoops, which means Arellano gets another chance and they drill the 3-pointer.
And masyadong open yun on that play kasi naka-zone itong All-Star Hoops. Right corner, wala talagang defense.
All-Star Hoops missing on their offensive attack. Arellano, strong drive. Will miss. Battle for the chance. Will go to All-Star Hoops. A foul. on that play.
That's 2 straight blocks. Oh, kita mo on that replay. Dalawang block from All-Star Hoops. Good stops from them.
67-49. Salazar picks up his dribble, finds number 2. Inside move is good.
And good flash by number 2 sa middle ng zone. Yun talaga yung weakness ng 2-3 right there in that middle sa may free throw area.
Arellano missing on that floater. And the All-Star Hoops, Salazar on the break. Will miss. Good challenge by Arellano.
The big guy, number 19, intimidating Salazar in that play. Kala niya open na siya.
And Salazar once again, step back 3. Will not work.
And the 19-point lead right now by Arellano. Bumalik na naman from 13 na kanina sa halftime.
And that's somehow the story of our first to third quarter. All-Star Hoops trying their best to cut down the lead, pero umaabot lang sila as low as 10, 9, even 13, pero biglang nagkakaroon ng sagot yung Arellano na somehow napapalaki lalo yung kanilang kalamangan.
Yun nga kasi every time na nakakascore tong All-Star Hoops, itong Arellano bumabalik lang naman. So nothing really happens. Talagang tuloy-tuloy lang yung flow ng game. And yun, never sila nakakalapit ng todo.
Arellano just proving na yung katagang what you can do, I can do better.
Tama.
Pag nag-string ng run itong All-Star Hoops, nag-i-string din sila ng mas malaking run to embiggen their lead. As the battle for the loose ball, hindi makukuha ng Arellano, ball will go back to the side of All-Star Hoops.
And here we go with Salazar. One of the standout players para sa All-Star Hoops nung first half.
Actually, yung parehong Salazar, maganda yung ginagawa para sa All-Star Hoops. Yung number 10 tsaka yung number 13.
Di ko sure kung magkapatid ba yun.
Hindi ko din,
Baka magpinsan.
Hindi ko din sure. Baka magkapelido lang ganun. Diba? As Salazar hitting the good lay-in.
And they're gonna need a lot more from him para makahabol sila dito. Kasi kahit sa defense itong si Salazar, gumagawa din kanina pa eh.
(70-53). 17-point lead for Arellano. As All-Star Hoops cuts down with a 3-pointer.
And here we go with All-Star Hoops. Stringing up some points.
Ito na naman sila. Pero makakasagot ba ang Arellano with an N1 play?
And just like you mentioned a while ago, pag nag-score itong All-Star Hoops, babalik itong Arellano. 3 points on the other end for Arellano. Ito naman or for All-Star Hoops, ito naman end 1 on the other side for Arellano. So 3 points back, tapos ito na naman. Kung ma-shoot niya to, 3 points back na naman.
And yes, nagkasagutan lang. Sabi mo, here we go, babalik. Here we go para All-Star Hoops. Pero agad na sinarado yung chance na yun ng Arellano. Tapia, magmimintes. The steal by Salazar. Good hands for him. Drops it off. Uy, ang gandang pasa and ang gandang conversion for All-Star Hoops.
Showtime play by Salazar, getting the steal, tapos behind the back assist, right into the easy layup from the baseline.
By the 3, Willan Cork, but missing for Arellano. Top will be Arellano, so ball will go to the side of All-Star Hoops once again.
And finally, All-Star Hoops getting a score and a stop. Sunod-sunod.
But still, 18-point lead for Arellano. Salazar goes to Tapia. Top of the key, attacks middle, goes to Salazar. Inilapit, jumper, magmimintes.
Quick release yun para kay Salazar.
But ball will go back to the side of All-Star Hoops with 12 seconds to shoot. Somehow nakuha ulit nila yung mintes. Mawawala yung bola. Number 0. Hook shot is good.
But now All-Star Hoops just needs to focus on getting a stop at this play.
The probe inside will miss. 25, jumper is good.
And yun na naman, balik na naman yung score. So parang wala lang nangyari.
Sasagot ang All-Star Hoops, magmimintes. Rebound na naman ng Arellano. 1:32 sa ating third quarter. Arellano, inside pass. Huli on that time ng All-Star Hoops. Tapia with the basketball. Goes to Salazar. Maaagawan ng Arellano. Inside pass. The 2 ball will miss. And officials. Nahuli doon yung Arellano stepping on the line. Bola babalik sa All-Star Hoops. Salazar goes to 26. 3-pointer. No good.
Medyo napapagod na dito ang All-Star Hoops. Kita na sa kanila.
Yung fatigue kanina na because of them only having 8 players na somehow kahit na umabot ng 10 ngayon, nandun pa rin eh. Pero on the flip side, number 13 making another strong move inside for Arellano.
Same finish lang parang kanina. Parang mukhang magsa-standing dunk na tong si number 13 eh.
Siguro since 15 and under division to, siguro pag tumanda at lumaki pa siya, malamang dadakdak na yan.
Oo ba, pag 17 under na yun, talagang standing dunk na yun para kay 13.
As Salazar, the Hesse, double Hesse, drops it up. 26, jumper. Will not drop. 78 to 58, 17 seconds sa ating third quarter. Arellano will have the chance para sa huling hirit ng yugtong ito.
Pero kita mo dun, intimidation factor ni number 13. Itong si Salazar, di talaga makadrive. Di siya makapenetrate kasi kita niya ang haba ni number 13 eh.
Oh, so that looks to be a foul, which means Arellano will go for 2 shots.
Pero 20-point lead pa right now, so malaki-laki pa yan.
So yung sinabi mo kanina na kailangan matapesan ng All-Star Hoops ng less than 15. It looks like na yung Arellano talagang pinalobo pa nila lalo. More than 15 points pa yung kanilang kalamangan before entering the fourth quarter.
Yeah, and with a 21-point lead right now, it's gonna be a tough battle for All-Star Hoops to climb. Mas lalo na itong fourth quarter na sila after this.
Salazar losing the basketball. 1 second to shoot. And that's how we end the third quarter. Arellano, Switch Fibers having a big lead against All-Star Hoops, 79 to 58. Magbabalik kami. Fourth quarter of action sa ating Velvet D-League Season 2. 15 and under division, tapatang Arellano Switch Fibers kontra sa All-Star Hoops. The last 10 minutes is already unfolding. Arellano Switch Fibers having a comfortable big lead against All-Star Hoops.
Beautiful touch pass right there para sa Arellano. Mabilisan na passing para for that easy layup.
84 to 58. The sling. Salazar, 3. Will miss. Marquez, back on the floor. His Federer finish will not work.
And makita mo talaga tong si Marquez. Physical advantage talaga siya from height. Sa katawan pa lang, kahit sa skills, kita mo, ang bilis niya, nagdadala ng bola. So, I see a lot of potential for a player like this. Laki niya eh.
Pero meantime, Arellano hitting the two-pointer courtesy of number 27. Ito naman din sa other side, Salazar with the basketball. That's number 13. Salazar goes to Tapia. Baseline drive. Gandang hanap. Magmimintis lang.
And All-Star Hoops having a hard time again with those easy shots on the inside.
And the timeout will be called by Coach Lander Miranda para sa kanyang koponan na All-Star Hoops, who is currently down big 86-58 against Arellano. Magbabalik kami.
Sayang na naman yun on that play for number 6.
Now 86-58, All-Star Hoops. Nahihirapan na sila lalo dito sa ating quarter na ito na with less than 8 minutes to play, time is not on their side. Ang laki pa nung hinahabol nila. This is a 30-point lead built by Arellano.
And I'm sure at this point of the game, itong fourth quarter, they're feeling gassed right now. Kasi iilan lang substitutions nila, tapos tira mo ngayon, no, yung same players lang usually, pero Salazar gets the end one on that play.
Salazar making things happen for them. And look at that, strong drive. Winasiwas pa para maiwas sa bantay and getting the end one opportunity.
And he's been one of the standout players dito para sa All-Star Hoops. Kung sa kabila naman si Marquez yung gumagawa, ito naman si Salazar yung isa sa mga primetime players nitong All-Star Hoops.
But not really a good fall from Arellano. They will turn the ball over 88-61. A chance for All-Star Hoops to get or to cut the deficit. Salazar directing traffic, goes to Tapia. Number 1, the 3 ball will miss.
And 1-2-2 zone muna itong Arellano for this part of the game. So, itong All-Star Hoops, try nila shoot some threes at this point para makahabol sila.
So ikaw, since naglalaro ka naman ng basketball, anong tingin mo yung zone na mas effective? Kasi there's ang daming variation sa mga zone defense. So ikaw, ano yung tingin mo yung mas effective na defensive zone?
Well, it really depends eh. Kasi kung magto-2-3 ka, masya-shutdown mo yung mga post attack, mga inside Pero kung 1-2-2 naman, kung magaling yung point guard, magaling mag-penetrate, right now they're in a 1-2-2 zone. So, palagi ma-open doon, mas lalo na yung sa may free throw line area. Pero right now, they're preferring to shoot from the outside. Yun nga lang, di talaga pumapasok para dito sa All-Star Hoops.
So if this is a 1-2-2 zone being deployed by Arellano, Salazar, the point guard of All-Star Hoops, he will have a lot of opportunities to crack the defense. So kailangan natin kailangan ng good decision from Salazar. At titingnan natin 'yan kung magagawa niya 'yon as he makes the 100 to fall.
And that's a right-handed layup coming from a left-hander.
Marquez, agad na sinagot lang 'yon.
And that was too easy for Marquez.
Salazar once again, the bounce pass to Salazar. Magmimintes.
Kita mo, bumabagal na yung pace dito. Pagod na yung mga player. Pero itong Arellano, I'm sure they're still gonna continue to push even with this big lead.
The drop pass. Uy, nagkamali sa step sa TikTok. Ito si number 1. Masyado siya na-excite.
And almost a 30-point lead right now in this game. So things not looking good for the All-Star Hoops right now.
Definitely. 90 to 63. With less than 6 minutes to play. Three-pointer will miss. And now Marquez with the basketball. Goes to 11. Strong move. Will trickle in.
Nice move by number 11. Binitbit pa yung bola doon.
Pero ito, step through off the glass. Sinagot din yung magandang tira ni number 11 ng mas magandang tira ng All-Star Hoops. But still, this is a big lead by Arellano. Marquez. 3-pointer is good.
And that's too open for Marquez and coming from that zone sa All-Star Hoops. Pero Marquez showing us na may full arsenal siya. Nakaka-shoot rin from the outside.
Kanina first half, nakita natin si Marquez or we know Marquez as someone na merong magandang finishing skills. Yung capability niya to finish on the break and even on the attack. Ang ganda panoodin. Pero this time around the fourth quarter, yung range niya, yun na yung pinapakita niya.
Yeah, nung first half, kita natin athletic drives, athletic finishes. Mukha talagang slasher to si Marquez. And he has the build to be a slasher. Pero as he develops this outside shot, magiging very effective player itong si Marquez.
As huli ng time na yun ni Marquez, yung atake ng All-Star Hoops. 11, mawawala yung bola. Swings it back. Napalakas lang yung tira.
And some overpassing right there from Arellano. Wala nang gustong tumira.
I think they're just, at this point, they're just trying to be really creative on their passes, on their attacks. Kasi they have a big lead.
Yeah, and with about a 30-point lead right now with 4 minutes remaining in this fourth quarter, medyo malabo na to para sa All-Star Hoops. So, kaya tinan mo, di na nagpe-press itong Arellano, kahit itong All-Star Hoops, naka-zone na lang. So, they're gonna try to milk the clock, just slow it down, and win the game in the end for Arellano.
And now, number 26 on the line. 2 shots for him. Etong All-Star Hoops, we know naman na obviously, they're down big. Pero what do you think yung magandang ginagawa naman nila kahit papaano sa game na to?
Well, I'm sure lumalaban pa rin sila. Kita mo yun, they're still crashing the boards. They're still trying to get the best quality shots they can get. Pero yun nga lang, yung outside shots nila, di talaga pumapasok in this fourth quarter. Minsan yung mga open layups nila, yung mga easy shots, rolling out. Minsan yung pabanda nila hindi tama. So, may pagkahalong malas din tong All-Star Hoops in this game. But then, I'm sure you could also credit that to the defense of Arellano. Kasi talagang non-stop sila kahit tambak na yung kalaban. They still go hard. They still crash those boards. And puro hands-up sila, hands-up defense, using their length to their advantage.
And now, Arellano shooting once again to the free throw line. At this point, they're just trying to score more points and, to showcase yung mga talents ng mga players at sa pagkakataong ito.
And it's surprising to see na itong si Marquez nasa game pa rin kahit tambak na. Pero baka gusto pang bigyan ng coach nila ng confidence itong si Marquez as one of their best players.
Uy, ang gandang tira naman ni Marquez. I think talking about confidence, tingin ko, punong-puno na naman ng confidence itong si Marquez.
And you saw on that last play, dribble to the left from the wing, hang time finish for the floater. So, showcasing the athleticism and the soft touch dun by Marquez.
Feeling ko nga at this point, Marquez is just racking up more points. Talaga para mas lalong masolidify yung kanyang solid na performance sa ating larong to.
And Marquez with a jab step 3. Yun nga lang di pumasa from the corner.
Uy, gandang tira, magmimintes lang. That's a crazy finish, a crazy attempt. Pero if it went down, it will be a much crazier finish. Tapia goes to 26, a steal. To 11, all alone, easy to.
Pero alam mo, Miggy, in this game, itong All-Star Hoops, they still gave their best naman.
Yes.
With the factors that they came in with.
And now, All-Star Hoop grabe yung Arellano, di ba? Kanina, they ended the first quarter 36 points. And now, hindi pa tayo natatapos. They entered triple digits already in this game.
Well, that's a big shout out to their defense actually kasi yun yung nagpalobo ng lead nila. Tong press nila, mga quick shots nila resulted in their easy shots. Pati mga 3 points nila, nagsistart na rin pumasok nitong fourth quarter kaya natambakan nila itong All-Star Hoops.
As Arellano, both of these teams, by the way, are playing their first game here in the Season 2 of the Velvet D-League. So far, makikita naman natin, we can conclude na itong Arellano will be solidifying themselves as a contender sa Season 2, especially in their division.
Yeah, and Arellanos usually a contender pag mga league na ganito. Just like last season, umabot sila ng playoffs, semifinals. Yun nga lang, nalaglag sila against Beda, if I'm not mistaken, or Lasal Green Hills. So, maybe this season is the one na kaya nilang umabot ng final. So, let's see. Kasi maganda pinakita nila today.
But last season, yung Arellano na tinutukoy mo, is that the 17 and under division?
Yeah, that was the 17 under division, pero same coach sila. So, same system.
And yes, I think dito sa 15 and under division, Arellano, pinapakita nga nila na sila talaga yung mga team to watch. One of the teams to watch. Pero on the flip side, All-Star Hoops naman, they're showing na even though they're a club-based squad, kaya nilang kaya nilang pumalag, kaya nilang lumaban. And even though they're down big, the play style naman, na nakikita mo naman dun, yung laruan din ng mga players, the talent of their players, nandun din.
Yeah, it's still a valiant effort talaga dito para sa All-Star Hoops. Kita mo naman kulang sila. Club-based team sila going up against a school. An NCAA school, high school. So mabigat na laban to for them.
Astapia, the jumper, will not fall.
And here we go, Arellano, another easy basket for them.
And 103 to 71. 105 to 71. Arellano with a cruising victory against All-Star Hoops. And that's all said and done. Ayan na, both squads entering the half court. Arellano winning a big one against All-Star Hoops.
Alright, so I'm here with the best player of the game, si Joab Marquez from Arellano. So Joab, kita naman natin sa game mo, from offense to defense, lahat-lahat ginawa mo, finishing, pinakita mo. Kahit yung mga blocks mo, may 3-pointers ka pa. So, how do you, paano mo to napapakita sa game na to na all-around ka yung nagagawa mo?
Ina-ensayo po namin sa yung mga ina-ensayo po namin, in-execute lang po namin. Tsaka yung mga play, in-execute lang po namin. Tapos, nagtiwalan po kami sa isa't isa. Yun lang po.
Okay, and before we end, Joab, do you have any shout-out sa mga family, friends, kahit sino?
Shoutout po sa mami at daddy ko na nanonood. Salamat sa support. Yun lang po.
Okay, and there you have it, Joab Marquez, the best player of the game from Arellano, 15 under.